Namaskar and good morning. The result season has started and the results are trickling in. One of the good results which have been declared on 28th was FILATEX India Limited. It's in the business of manufacturing synthetic filament yarns having a wide range of products. Now, first we'll take a look at what happened in the 9 months preceding this quarter. It has initiated a procedure for debottlenecking its polymer capacity from 900 to 1050 MT per day with addition of POY capacity of 61,000 tons per annum and texturizing capacity of 72,000 tons per annum. So this detail was given with the last results, that is Q3 results. So they said we are debottlenecking the polymer capacity from 900 to 1050 MT per day, that is 150 MT per day excess, that into 365. POI capacity addition is 61,000 tons per annum, texturizing capacity addition is 72,000 tons per annum. They have also approved to put up a captive thermal power plant of 30 megawatts, rooftop solar power plant of 1.4 megawatts at both Dahej and Dadra plants, and a wind power generation plant of 2.1 megawatts at Gujarat, Dadra, at a total capital expenditure of 160 crores. So it means FILATEX is always on the expansion mode. So the message from the company is we are expanding the capacity to meet the growing domestic needs. That is, within India needs, the needs are growing along with our already flourishing export business. So they are expanding to cater to both export business and also to the domestic business. We are also exploring technology for manufacturing value-added products which are currently being imported. So FILATEX is always on the expansion mode and trying to add value addition. Now we are going to Q4. On Q4, Madhusudan Bagaria, the chairman and managing director, says, as the standard of living improves, demand for man-made fibers sees boost globally and locally. In India, as we move away from agrarian economy, natural fibers are becoming expensive, that is, cotton is becoming expensive and more difficult to grow due to paucity of arable land. Synthetic fibers are gradually replacing them as they offer similar quality and properties at much affordable cost. At FILATEX, the company is preparing for this boom by manufacturing top quality, cost-effective yarns. We are expanding the capacity to meet growing domestic needs along with our already flourishing export business. To contain the cost of production, FILATEX is planning for captive power plant of 30 megawatts capacity at Dahej, as grid power cost in Gujarat is becoming high. It is also exploring technology for manufacturing value-added fabrics. So this was mentioned in Q3 also, mentioned in Q4 also. So it is on the expansion mode. And FILATEX is in the business of manufacturing and trading of synthetic yarns and textiles. It manufactures polyester, polypropylene, multi-filament yarn and polyester chips. FILATEX product offerings include complete range of filament, be it POY, DTY or FDY, semi-dull, bright and colors of different shades covering a wide range of coarse and fine denier. FIL, that is FILATEX India, has two manufacturing facilities, one at Dadra and Nagar Haveli and the other is at Dahej, which are equipped with state-of-the-art modern German machines. FILATEX at present exports to more than 30 countries globally. FIL's plants are professionally managed and are compliant with applicable statutory regulations. So ISO 9001, all those things are there. Now let us look at the quarterly highlights. Q4 versus Q4 of last year. Q4 of FY19 versus Q4 of FY18. Revenue has increased from 579 crores to 706 crores. 579 to 706 crores, up 22%. EBITDA stands at 55 crores now against 46 crores in the last year Q4. That is up 19%. So revenue is up 22%, EBITDA is up 19%. Net profit has gone up from 17.46 crores to 28.12 crores, up 61.1%. So revenue is up 22% and net profit is up 62%, 61.1%. EBITDA margin is at 7.8%, net profit margin is at 4%. EPS, if you look at EPS, it has grown from 0.8 rupees, 0.8, that is 80 paise per share, to 1 rupee 29 paise per share. So on a year-on-year basis. Now let us also look at FY19 versus FY18, full year. Revenue has grown from 1,974.45 crores to 2,874 crores, that is up 45.6%. The revenue has grown by 45.6%. EBITDA has grown by 38.3% from 157 crores to 217 crores. So EBITDA has grown by 38%. Net profit has grown by 41.9%. So on a year-on-year basis also, net profit has jumped by 42%, almost 41.9%. EBITDA margin has grown by 7.5%, net profit margin has grown by 3%. EPS basic has grown from 2.75 rupees to 3.9 rupees. Now let us look at exports. Q4 exports are 1,223 crores. Yarn exports are 60,550 crores. Chips 11,021 crores. 11,021 MTPA. Sorry. Q4 exports are 123 MTPA. No, exports are in rupees 123 crores. Q4 exports are 123. If you look at the metric tons per annum, it is 60,550 MTPA. Yarns exports are 11,021 MTPA. Whereas if you look at 1 year before, Q4 of FY18, in rupee terms it is 114 crores. In MTPA, yarns are 54,517 and chips are 10,287 MTPA. Now that is for Q4. Now if you look at annual exports, in rupee terms, FY19 432 crores, FY18 379 crores, 432 crores from 379 crores. Now if you look at MTPA, yarns are 2,47,541 MTPA. Last year 1,87,863. Whereas chips has come down slightly, 32,054 MTPA from 33,559. So chips have come down slightly, whereas yarns have increased during the year, and in rupee terms there is a significant increase. So this company is gradually increasing its production capacity, etc. FILATEX is a expanding company, expanding its power supply also, and reducing the cost, and expanding the volumes of yarn and also chips. So overall exports are increasing and domestic sales are also increasing. So FILATEX is a company to look at. So I'll come up before you with another a very good company. FILATEX is a good company. So that's what I mentioned here. So we'll see again. Thank you.